Hello everyone, welcome to Akanksha Charitable Trust YouTube channel. Today's topic is odd one group of letters. Okay, so in the given 4 options, there will be a group of letters and there will be some kind of relation between each letter, and you have to find which one is odd or which one is not following the relation. Okay, so while looking at any question, while looking in any question, so you have to ask some questions to yourself. So what are those? So first, does each group contain vowels and consonants? So we will look into it deep in the next slide, but now, so you have to remember, so in each group you have to look for vowels and consonants, and if the number of vowels and consonants same, so for that you have to count. So count the number of vowels and consonants, and also you have to look for the gap between each letters, and you have to look whether it follows any pattern or not. Okay, so before we start, now as you all know, so we have 26 alphabets in alphabetic series, right? So starting from A to Z, if I number them in ascending order, so A gets first position, right? Also the Z has 26th position. But you have to remember each position, that is for each alphabet you have to remember the rank of that alphabet. So for example, if I ask you what is the rank of P, you must say it is 16. So it must be in your heart actually. So whenever I ask you what is the rank of certain alphabet, you have to tell it. So for that you have to remember it. So I request to note down these order. Okay, so 1 is the ascending order starting from 1, and also the descending order. Descending order means here the Z gets the number 1 and the A gets number 26. So here if I ask you what is the rank of P in the descending order, then it is 11. So like that you have to remember this. And next, so there is one small trick you can follow. So if you can remember the ascending order, or if you can remember the position of each alphabet, then the reverse order, it is very easy. So see, what is the formula? So reverse position of an alphabet, it is nothing but 27 minus ascending order number. Okay, so let us understand this with the help of one example. So suppose if I give a letter G, now what is the ascending order number? You can see from the list, that is it is 7, right? And similarly, what is the descending order number? Again in the list you can see it as 20, right? But if you apply this formula, what is the formula? Reverse position of an alphabet, that is nothing but 27 minus ascending order number, right? So if I apply that formula here, what happens? So you can see here it is nothing but 27 minus 7. What is 7? 7 is nothing but the ascending order number, right? So 27 minus 7, which is equal to 20. So with this formula too, you can easily get the position of any alphabet in the reverse order. Okay, so this is the basic thing, and to solve the questions related to letters or alphabets, you need to remember this. So please note it down somewhere, and we will use this in the next session. So you must know what are vowels and what are consonants. Okay, so what are vowels? So the letters A, E, I, O, U. So these letters, they are called as vowels. And what are consonants? All the letters except these letters, that is A, I, O, U, they are called as consonants. Okay, so in the example airplane, so A, it's a vowel. I, again it's a vowel. R, no, it's a consonant. And P, it's a consonant. L is a consonant. A is a vowel. N is a consonant, and E is again a vowel, right? So like this, in the next questions, in the upcoming questions, so you must able to identify the vowels as well as consonants, and again based on that we can solve our problems. Hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubts or queries, you can comment and we will answer. If you want to practice more, quiz link will be given in episode number 7, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.